In the midst of South Africa fighting for Cwecwe, Shiru Zondi and other victims of Timothy Omotoso and his co-accused are crying because he was found guilty of 32 charges related to sexual harassment and are waited. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment in the comment section. Nigerian ring pastor Timothy Omotoso, who has been on trial for over 80 years, today he was found not guilty on all of his charges. I mean, I don't know if the justice system in South Africa is failing us or is the prosecutors who are not competent enough. I mean, the witnesses were getting killed left, right, and center. That should have amounted for something in court. The police service, South African police service, and the investigating department, how did they investigate this case? Why was this case, with the evidence that they had, was some evidence inadmissible in court? Was it irrelevant in court? What happened? Because there was an overwhelming evidence against Timothy Omotoso. But at this rate, we just understand that even if you shout for Cwecwe, it will not happen if a man who has multiple charges of rape on him walks freely like that with not even a slap on a wrist, just smile. And it is so disgusting to see him smile. To tell you the truth, I'm not the one to judge people, but it is so disgusting to see him smiling while his victims will just be crying once more because they don't get justice. At the same time, the way, you know, my thing is that you will never remove yourself from the R-word girl because you were once being like that, once you have been like that, and publicly, because it happened publicly. It was a matter of public interest. Right now, this just gives us a light on how Cwecwe case could go because I'm I'm lost for word because that's what I was saying. Chain of custody, relevant evidence, irrelevant evidence. What Cwecwe's mother is going on tour, it will not hold in court. I wanted to do the video, but my heart didn't want to do it. So I'm gonna continue from this one on Cwecwe video. The mother must stop. When we have something going to court, you need to stop talking to the media. You need to just stop because some evidence, remember that the defense lawyer will fight tooth and nail. Some evidence will become irrelevant to the case because now it's useless. I mean, there are many things that happen like in court, chain of custody, credibility of the witness. We see how emotional she is. How can she? There are many things that goes on into court until we have evidence being admitted in court. So that's what I'm seeing might happen in this case. If we are not careful enough, we'll cry again saying that the victims are not getting the justice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment.